Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to make sure your notification bell is turned on if you're already subscribed. So we'll be doing our check-in as far as tracking today. It is Tuesday, June 11th, and I'm hoping to do another one in a couple days, like Saturday, Sunday, or Friday. Y'all know we're checking in more often, and now that we are trying a different process for the month of June. So as you can see, there is some money on my Saver card. There's $73.97 that's cleared. So let's get into it. Actually, let us track the cash first because I enjoy doing that. So let's get into the binder and find where the tracking resides. Where the tracking resides.
I'm at what the what the money reside, what the money reside, what the money reside, what the money reside. Okay, I'll tell you.
This is this month. Let me take it out. It's at 7:30ish, 7:34, and it's getting a little dark, so I'm sorry for the shadows. I just didn't want the video to be really, really dark, so I turned on some not natural light. All right. Actually, you know what, y'all? I don't want this to darken, so let's start here. So it says we have $73.97. Let's pull us in so we can see what's going on. And that's a little too close. Okay. And let's see what we have. A couple things pending, but the last thing we talked about was the payment we made for $48.52 to clear the account. And now we have a Kroger bill, which is for June 10th. So on 6/10, this is Kroger, this is grocery. And it was for $29.58. So $29.58. And then we're just going to keep a rolling total, $29.58. Okay, and then we have, the next thing we have is the Dollar Tree. And the Dollar Tree was for $30.90, and that was, well, I don't know if it was the same day, but it's clearing on that day. And that's Dollar Tree. And that's going to be miscellaneous because it was a whole bunch of stuff for the guests, all over the thing. It's actually going to come out of all the things. And that was $30.90. Which, let's get our handy dandy calculator out. So $29.58 plus $30.90. It should $60.48. Sorry. Eat out. See what I mean? Like, I'm still gonna look at the categories just because I kind of want to know. And that is $13.49, which should give us $73.97 because that's what it says. Plus $13.49 equals $73.97. Okay, and that's all that's cleared so far. As you can see, $73.97 is our total. Now we do have a Publix. This is actually medical and household, and then I just literally went and got a pedicure, and this was my pedicure. They started charging a 3-point-something% tax, honey, and I was like, oh, I might have to put my self-care in cash too. I was trying to avoid all the cash, but I don't want to charge. I don't want to be charged any extra money, you know. All right, so let's go ahead and make these payments. So Dollar Tree, that's going to come out of all the things. So we're going to make a payment and hope we have money in all the things. Like, poor all the things is really getting used up. But, you know, it's there. $30.90. Yeah, every time I do that. I was pressing the wrong button. Never mind. Talking to myself. $30.90. And that is going to come from, but from All the Things, which has 70 something dollars in it now. About to go down to like 30. And then today, submit that payment. Boom. Submit, thank you for your payment. So we just paid $30.90. And I'm just going to, for right now, because the ink is probably still wet, I'm just going to make a check mark next to it to say that we scheduled that payment. And now we're going to make the last payment, which will be the total of these two for groceries and eating out, because those come out of the general cash situation that we have, like our general cash envelope sinking fund. $29.54 plus $13.49. So we need to make $43.03. Make a payment for $43.03. And it's funny because I just got the statement for this card and it says I owe $0 as of July 2nd. So I don't think whatever we're putting on the card right now is going to be due until August 2nd. We're going to choose our cashless envelope section, cash envelope, which has $519 in it, and then we're going to submit that payment for $43.03. So if we have $43.03 and we took that out of $519, basically we have $475 still in that account. Success, our payment has been scheduled. You'll see we have two payments scheduled here, $43.03 and $30.90. And so I will go ahead and check off these two as well, that they are scheduled to pay. And then the only other thing we have to do, y'all, is check the cash money. Don't think I forgot about the Capital One. We are going to check on that as well, but not this go around. Cash. So for gas, let's see, I have a receipt because I literally just got gas for $30. Well, $23. I gave $30, but then we only used $23. So as you can see, we had our last deposit, then we had gas today for $23, leaving us with $97. We're gonna add this here. So on 6/11, is that today? Yep, 6/11. We got gas. Doesn't even matter where, and it was $23. So I'm going to add to the $73.97. Too close. We're going to add 23. So we spent $96.90. And this is going to be a check mark because literally it's cash. We're just making sure we still have $97 left because that is our balance. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97. Perfect. We still have $97 and a full tank of gas. Can y'all believe, literally, I don't know what's going on, but June is almost not done, but like we're in the middle of June already. Okay, it's crazy to me. So then the other envelope that has money is giving. And giving started with a deposit of $20, and I used $9 to buy flowers for my boss. She was having a hard time, so that was $6.10. I went to Publix, and it's flowers and it's giving. And that was minus, it was literally $8. $8.09. I'm only putting $9 right now because, and then I bought a vase from Dollar Tree for $1.25. I spent less than $10 getting my boss something. She loved it. She hugged me. She's like, thanks so much. So we had $96.90 and we're gonna add basically $9, and that's $10. Sorry, $105.90. Okay, and then so we're supposed to have $11, but as you can see there's only $1. That's because today at the nail salon I gave the lady who did my toes, the lady who was supposed to do my eyebrows was not there today. I gave her a $10 tip, and because they were putting the money, you know, 3.something%, I wasn't going to put it on the card, so that left me with $1. I ran through the giving. Technically I would normally take that out of self-care, so if I want to give something for $10 going forward, I will take it on the card because I technically have $10 that really should have came out of self-care and not giving. But, you know, giving is giving. So that's $6.11, and that's nail salon, Selena's tip. And that is going to be minus $10. I spent $115.90 at this point. Okay, and then in miscellaneous, you'll see there are $2 in here. Okay, and what happened was this is a $2 refund. I went to Publix and purchased some Dove soaps, and one of the coupons didn't come off, and it was I went back to the store and was like, I didn't get my $2 off, and so she gave me the $2 back. So actually, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in giving in case I see somebody on the street. I have $3, so I'll just go ahead and add these extra $2 into giving. So as of 6/11, we're gonna say a transfer from a refund over to giving of $2 plus $2 will leave us with $3 left in giving. 1, 2, 3. That's basically how it's going, because, you know, and technically I was supposed to have $30 in giving this month, but just all the foolishness. But so it's okay. If I feel like giving something else, I'm gonna do it. Y'all know I like to give. And so that's it. There's nothing in any of the other envelopes right now. Where we're at, y'all. I just wanted to do a quick check-in. I'm glad these are going to be a little shorter because we shouldn't have as many transactions going on this card. And I will see y'all in a couple of days just to make sure I'm staying on top of it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. How is your tracking going? Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, forever, forever, ever, forever, ever. Bye!